Hi and welcome in this video that will show you how to manipulate files, date and time. And in this case we're going to use the file manager on Commander Pro that you can download here at oncommander.com for Windows, macOS and Linux. So part of the tutorials that is generated, so you have some files that you can use to practice with the file date and time. So let's go through there, and so let's go through one by one with a few exercises. So first, notice the last modified date of time of this one. So basically it's probably going to be July 1st 2024. So here you see I have a file with the date of July 1st 2024. And now what you can do is what's called touch files, and touch file is basically just modifying the file to the current date. So let's go touch file. If I do click enter, now you see the same file is no longer of 2024, but now it's 29th of January. That means today, 2025. Now let's go with another one, and this one is with the date of the 12th of August 2024. And now if I go to change time to creation date, so F9 and say creation date, change time to creation date, so this one. So now you see the date has changed. It's no longer August 12, 2024, but now it's the 28th of January, and this is basically the date of the when this file was generated. Now let's go to now time 2 and time 3. For the next exercise, we see I have two files with two different dates. One is from the 9th of September and the other one is of the 10th of September, and also different time. And then I can go to 9 and then I can do change date time. And now I can enter a specific date, so let's say 11 at 11:00, and then click OK. And now you see both files have a new last modified date that is basically the same that I've specified. Now let's go also through another exercise. So the next one is to harmonize. So let's say I have two files, one that are related, and I want them to have the same date and time. So I can again use F9, then you have also a unified date time there, and then you can choose what is the least recent or what is the more recent date. So let's put, and then you can even group if you would. So you see how they are the same group, but if you had multiple groups, you can also group them by file name. So it's even easier, but here are just one group, so I don't need to check it. And now if I click OK, then you see that now the date have been updated to the most recent time, in this case. Now, so another time related is you see in On Commander Pro, you have the on time. If I put the mouse on it, you see it's going to show the date of today. And if you click on it, it's going to show a calendar that you can browse, and with the current date and so on. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumb up and share it. And if you have any questions or remarks, feel free to put them in the comments. And see you on the next video. Bye.